In today's video, I'm in Zaneni at a BP Moto where I met a friend of mine called Fumie. So Fumie is a car reviewer. Go check out his YouTube channel. But in this video, it's me and him having a joy ride inside one of the Chinese moto called Jaecoo. It's a very nice car, guys. Just watch this video. Yeah, so we are inside.
Jaecoo J7.
Jaecoo
J7
Gladia. Why was Rafadi but so we are on drive, right? Okay. Yo.
Okay, Glazia this one. So we are test drive. I got the yeah.
Okay.
Fast reach without direction. How is the feel?
Hey man, it feels like I've made millions. So.
What a sunroof feeling.
No, I love the fact they have panoramic sunroof.
Yeah. It's a mini sunroof, this one.
Because now I love opening the thing to the bag, but the sun shades. Yeah, when I drive on a sunny day, I like to open like this.
Yeah.
And then
nice stuff.
It's the same sunroof as Tiguan's.
Yeah.
Hey, but I love the fact that they gave us iPad in this car.
And it's easy to handle.
You can operate it easily.
It responds easily as well.
Okay. Which one is okay? This one is okay.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. What's going on now?
360 panoramic view. The Chinese are cooking.
So there's no way you wanna bump paving when you are parking or anything on this car.
Yeah, no, the Chinese are cooking. Damn.
Nah, I didn't like these cars when they were first introduced, ne?
Mm-hmm.
But honestly now I feel like no. No, I feel like nah.
They know what they are doing.
These guys, they know what they're doing. No, sorry guys for being a hater at first.
You were a hater.
No, I was a hater. I don't wanna lie. I was a hater of these cars, man.
Yeah, pull up. Listen. Ay.
Now let's close the shit.
The sunroof. Okay, let's try with this one. Okay.
Now I'm closing the shades now.
Yeah, yeah. No, the cabin is quiet now.
Okay, yeah, I want it like this.
Yeah.
No, I wanna feel the pool, man.
Yeah.
This guy's nice. No, the Chinese really know what they're doing.
They know what they're doing. So how much are we averaging there? Is it 8.8 liters?
Yeah, it's 8.8 liters per 100 kilometers.
Alright.
Not bad.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
But you just have to pour more petrol on these things.
Yeah, hey, you can't drive on
this one now. It feels like they give us some Samsung iPad.
The material quality feel inside. The dashboard, criminal leather.
Nah, yeah. Because most of them it's plastic. Let's feel the pool.
Pull up. Then they
MP200, you disturbed my pool.
You must move out.
No, but this guy's nice.
Does it have pedal shifters?
No, it doesn't have.
Okay. And it's very comfortable, eh?
Jesus. No, I was wrong about the Chinese. Today I'm accepting I was wrong about the Chinese. These guys are building nice cars.
They know what they are doing. So the material quality feel is okay.
Not good. Man.
Very like, premium.
The seats are so comfortable as well.
Armrest on the door as well. The pull up.
Is too nice.
Very nice.
We're on a hill now and it can pull.
Yeah.
Most cars they don't really pull on a hill. Listen to that.
Anushka is having fun. Was the owner of this car? Yo. Why do I feel like I'm falling in love with an SUV now?
Hey, Chief, the SUV is the only way to go, man.
Yo. So we're in the mid-spec Jaecoo J7 Gladia.
So this is the mid-spec, ne?
This is the mid-spec.
It's not top of the range.
And the top of the range is the all-wheel drive. This is a mid-spec. As far as I know, it's a two-wheel drive.
No, this car's nice.
Yeah, no, it's something else.
This car's nice. Yo.
Hey, panoramic sunroof. It covers even for the one seater at the back. Yeah, there's the shade.
Goes all the way back.
So if we are to rank
Does
these
this one
cars,
have the voice? What?
intelligent voice command, I think it must have from a button.
Which one is the button to it?
I think we need to check on the screen. It must have the hello Jaecoo, do this, do that.
Hello
There we
Jaecoo.
go.
How are you?
I increase the volume.
Jaecoo, can you please increase the volume of the radio? Oh, okay.
Can you please open the sunroof? Aye.
What's going on now?
Aye, man. Jaecoo. Aye.
Yeah. Okay. But there are traffic cops there.
They are, ne? Where are they? Oh, you saw them when you
Yeah, I saw them on my way. Yeah.
came? Now if I was alone, I was gonna speed up. The time when I was going to Paledi Mall.
Yeah, you speeding up.
Yeah, there was a truck in front of me. I overtook and I take.
You use the road.
Yeah, for the first time, imagine.
I wanna go and try to drive my foot on that road.
Ne, you've never used it.
No, I did with the Tiguan, but
Oh, the Tiguan.
I wanna take my foot on a road.
Oh.
On my first.
Oh.
There was somewhere that I wanna smack. I
Mm.
wanna let something so flash at her.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah,
Go on.
the traffic cops.
Another way gonna back on me.
What's the speed limit here? But I didn't see there's a speed limit.
I also don't see it, but I feel like it's probably 100 or 120. Other people speed here.
Ne?
Yeah, this other time with the sales executive of a company I own mention, we were going 185. Someone had to report, hey, but we're testing the car. This road is not busy. This road is not busy.
No, I think they left.
They left, ne?
Because they were here.
Oh.
Okay, let's feel it.
You. Now, do you hear the sound of this thing? Yo.
120.
We are in the Jaecoo J7.
It's
Too much.
It's too much.
Let's buy the Chinese vehicles.
It's too much, guys.
Let's buy the Chinese
It's
vehicles.
too much, guys. It's too much, guys.
Yeah.
No, I'm having fun with this car, man. Yo. It's too much.
Listen. This is the car to go for.
It can handle the cab so nice.
Yeah. No body lean, bruh. And in an SUV, you're supposed to have a body lean. Feel this thing.
This thing flies.
Yeah, wait now.
This thing flies, man. This guy's nice, man.
Yeah, J7. Jaecoo.
No. No. The Chinese knew what they were doing.
They knew what they were doing, yeah. And the cabin is very quiet. There's no road noise.
No, nothing.
Yeah. Brag, I don't love SUVs, ne? But for this one,
Nah, I'm a fan of SUVs.
damn. How was it?
That's amazing. You know, because I'm used to drive manual cars. Now I'm looking for the clutch. Because I'm normally driving normal car, but I only have manual cars.
Ne?
So I had to drive automatic. The only time I drive automatic is when I'm driving my sister's car or my friend's car.
Oh.
That's the only time I'll get to drive an automatic car.
I'm at this thing when I deliver. So today is not a full review. It's a road test review.
Yeah.
So we won't be
Featuring Makwala Agri.
exactly the biggest YouTuber in the agricultural industry.
Guys, no.
We're having fun.
This reminds me of my friend's Golf R. The comfort. The pool.
But judging the speed, the power, and the fuel consumption, I think it's not as bad as people say it is.
No,
This is not even bad at all. This is a normal SUV.
You know what?
Uh-huh.
People. I don't know why people always cry about SUV consuming fuel. But
Yeah.
you cannot expect an SUV to consume fuel
Of a hatchback.
like you're driving a budget car.
Yeah.
That's not a budget car.
No,
that's
not
an
at all.
SUV.
Yes.
You must understand that you're driving an SUV.
Yeah.
You must have a budget for SUV.
Yeah. Hey, this guy. This
So when people complain about SUV fuel consumption is too much
on an SUV.
come on guys.
This is more
This
closer.
SUV. What do you expect?
It's more closer
It's
to a
not a
buggy.
budget car.
Yes.
Unless you're looking for a mini SUV like your what's this cars? Your T-Cross. Yeah, maybe there you cannot complain.
Or those Renaults.
Yeah, those mini Renaults, because even the engine capacity of a T-Cross is like 1.0. So it's the same as you're driving your Polo.
Exactly.
So probably it will be light on fuel. But when it comes to this one, probably the engine is 1.4, 1.5.
Yeah, somewhere it's 1.5. Yeah.
1.5.
Yeah.
So obvious. What do you expect?
Yeah. I know we're having fun.
You see now. Come on, Sha.
Listen, my guy, thanks for coming. Yeah, I'm featuring my friend here.
I inspired this guy to actually start a YouTube channel.
That's true. And I'm a YouTuber now, also working at a dealership. If you wanna do test drives,
Look
come.
at that. Look at that.
Yeah. 360 panoramic view.
Be careful of your surrounding.
Yeah.
Be careful of your surrounding. Guys.
Invisible camera.
Be careful of your surrounding. Maybe your friend doesn't like what you're doing in life. Be careful. Be careful. Even cars these days so be careful of your surroundings.
Yeah, it's not safe.
It's not safe.
But I like, we're not even parking, we're on the road, but it's showing the 360 panoramic view.
Yeah.
Wow, this car.
No, it's nice. No, the Chinese did a good job on these cars.
Yeah. You are having fun, eh?
Nah, maybe fun. This trip was worth it.
Yeah, this trip was worth it, eh?
Yeah, at least
you must come back.
I should have done my vlogs. I didn't do my vlogs today.
Shit.
But
when you left home.
No. I normally when I take trips like to come this side, I normally do a vlog. So today I was not feeling it. I was like, because I have so many videos with the same trip.
Let me have to edit.
But anyway, I'll just
you will take it from here.
Yeah, I'll take it from here
and then finish it on the way back home.
Yeah, because from here I'm going to buy seedlings. So I'll just take it from here.
Yeah, but so far I had fun with the Jaecoo J7.
No, this guy's nice.
Mid spec. You can't even tell this is a mid spec. It delivers.
No, I know the Chinese are doing a good job.
Yeah. But you see
and
the impact of the sunroof.
And they're cheap.
Yeah.
With the light. Every time I'm in to go and I take pictures with the sunroof open.
I only see you there.
You must open the sunroof. They must see you.
Yeah. So tell them about your channel because they have to subscribe.
Yeah, go subscribe to Makwala Agri YouTube channel. It's all about farming. Recently we introduced a podcast. So I've invited like few farmers that I'm gonna interview in the future. So far I think we've done about, actually the podcast has been there before.
Yeah.
But because it cost me a lot of money to do it.
Yeah.
I had to put a pause on it. Because when I started it, I was not even making any money from YouTube. So I was just doing it from the heart of me loving what I'm doing.
Yeah.
And then I decided now to bring it back since now I'm able to make money from YouTube.
Yeah.
So the money that I'm getting from YouTube, I'm gonna reinvest it in the YouTube and then shoot more podcasts. So what I do, I'm gonna be visiting farmers where they are operating or wherever we can meet and have a nice conversation. So that's all I have there, man. And if you wanna start learning about chickens, that's the #1 YouTube channel in Africa. You should make sure you subscribe.
Yes.
There are few, but Makwala Agri is the best.
It's the best.
A lot of people have started their own business through my YouTube channel.
And I'm on my way to open my poultry because of him.
So if you are looking into adventuring into poultry, make sure that you don't miss my channel. You should subscribe to that channel.
Don't forget
to
subscribe.
We're fighting unemployment.
Yeah. So we can do it on our own.
We're developing youth through our mentorship that we're doing on the channel. So what I do, they actually take you through the steps of how you should raise the chickens from day one until you sell. We give you all the tips. We're not missing anything.
So that's what's happening. This is Mr. Makwala Agri,
the one and only.
Hey.
I'm nominated some awards. I think soon we wanna share the poster. You guys should vote for me. The first award ever been nominated for. I never won anything. I never nominated anything in my life.
Okay.
Even in school, I never got an award. Yeah,
this should be motivating.
Yeah.
We forgot the entry number. It's fine.
There.
We will just turn to the right. That man told me to
to use the other one.
Yeah, and I forgot.
Oh.
Yeah, but it's fine. You won't see us. As long as we are not doing anything wrong. You are just
we
concerned
can-
about the traffic.
Oh yeah. Because I use these ones as well. But
Yeah. But it's also an easy entry. I think your name was
Yeah.
concerned about the
the
traffic.
traffic.
Yeah. But yeah, no, guys, we are
But
back.
Zanin is growing.
It's growing, bro. Like if you see the development, there is also LDV on the other side.
But Zanin is the capital city of agriculture.
Yeah.
Napo must come here.
Mm.
Not even the host in Free State.
Yeah.
I must bring it here.
They must bring it here.
Hey, when Zanin is the capital city of agriculture, you find everything.
Yeah.
I'm surprised today. I'm not seeing those guys who sell avocados here on the road.
Actually, they do. Some are in the morning. In the morning.
Because normally when I come here, I normally buy avocados on the road.
Yeah.
Or you said you should use which entrance?
We can use any between these two. Mariana, you was concerned about. You see that?
Oh,
traffic?
he said okay. You
Yeah.
should have used that road coming this side. No?
Yeah, I mean I forgot. Like, YouTubers in the building. Cannot mix sunroof at the back. Do you see what's happening here?
But I used it.
Ne?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
So
nice.
that's what's going on. That's what's going on. But I don't know.
This is a car.
Ay.
They must now give us some buckies for China.
Yeah.
They must bring more buckies from China.
And there is actually a bucky that's coming. It's a cherry bucky. Have you seen it?
Cherry.
Yeah, Cherry is making a bucky and it's coming in 2026.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. I hope it's good.
Yeah. And then we also have the P300. We have P500, the most powered bucky. So I think that on joining the siblings, it's going to do well because a lot of people are just curious on anything that comes from China.
Yeah, no, the Chinese are building that stuff. Yeah.
So we are back. It was a worthy trip.
Yeah, no, guys, if you're looking for a car,
Uh-huh.
this is your man.
Yeah.
This is the guy you should talk to.
Yeah.
He will sort you out.
Situated in Tzaneen at BB Motors.
Yeah. I came here with my car. This is my childhood dream car.
Yeah. It's looking so fresh, bruh. With those wheels. Ay.
No, guys. This car is nice.
Yeah, we finally reviewed the Jaecoo J7 on the road.
Hey. You never reviewed on your channel, eh?
I did, but it was packed.
Oh.
Have I? Yeah, I did, Mariah. It was packed. I didn't even have fun with that review. So, this is the reversing camera with a 360 degree panoramic view.
So now you can just watch here. There's no need to use your mirrors.
No need to use the windows, leaning outside like a wing. So,
Let's see.
but this thing is too direct. Wow. Beware of your surroundings.
Be aware of your surroundings.
Yes.
Nah, this is cause nice. Oh, so with P you just press it. It's parked.